This is the BIGME B1051C Pro, a color e-ink tablet and a laptop hybrid. It offers a unique experience compared to traditional tablets. If you love reading ebooks, sketching or digital note-taking, this device is definitely worth a look. I will also show you the Stylus, which is perfect for drawing and sketching, along with the detachable keyboard that transforms it into a mini laptop. So let's get started. This is the packaging of the BIGME B1051C Pro. Inside the main box, you will find two separate smaller boxes. One contains the magnetic folio case with a textured finish. It's standard one, and in the second box you will get the Stylus, great for sketching, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, though no charger is included, and a quick start guide and a SIM tray tool. This is because it supports micro SD card, which means you can extend your storage and download hundreds of ebooks or audio files. A nice touch for readers and professionals. And of course the tablet itself on the first layer. The design of the BIGME B1051C Pro is clean and functional. It features a flattened edge for the Stylus, well-placed USB-C port, and even an integrated fingerprint sensor built into the power button. The dual speakers are decent, and I will play a quick 10-second sound sample. Here you can hear them. The tablet is remarkably thin and lightweight, lighter than most books, so you can easily hold it for hours without feeling tired. And the sides are made of aluminum alloy for durability, but the back is plastic, so better not to throw on hard surface. This is the Stylus comes with this tablet, and this Stylus has a comfortable textured grip with a flat edge that magnetically attaches to the side of the tablet. To be honest with you guys, writing on this tablet with this Stylus feels incredibly satisfying. The sound, the feel, I don't know, it is very close or it is better than writing on paper. Just listen to this. This Stylus and the display are clearly designed with the sketching in mind, and they nailed it. It's perfect for note-taking, highlighting PDFs, or even casual drawing. The latency is low and the handwriting feels smooth and natural, so you can attach the Stylus magnetically to the top or back of the tablet, so it stays with you and doesn't get lost. Let's talk about the display. This is a Kaleido 3 color e-ink screen, and yes, colors will be muted compared to LCD or OLED screens, but that's expected with e-ink. The real benefit is eye comfort, so you can read for hours without eye strain. It has a built-in front light and adjustable warm and cool tones. I will show you how that looks here on screen. This makes a big difference in low light settings, where the display can otherwise feel too dim. Also, the shape and bezel design of the display is very practical. As you can see, when I hold it from this side, my thumb rests naturally without accidentally touching the screen. It offers a nice grip and comfortable handling for long reading sessions. As I mentioned earlier, the keyboard folio is solid separately and comes in its own box. It's thicker than the standard folio case since it includes a keyboard and trackpad. The exterior has a similar textured finish and the interior is soft to protect the screen. And it connects via 5 pogo pins, and the tablet is held in place with plastic mounts. So once attached, you have basically got a mini laptop. If you are working on long documents or emails, you can pair with a tablet with the keyboard folio for a more traditional typing experience. That's even a slot for the Stylus, so you won't misplace it. The tablet runs on Android 14, which gives you access to the Google Play Store and a wide range of apps. Performance is smooth for reading, note-taking and journal multitasking. But keep in mind, e-ink displays have a little slower refresh rate, so animations and app switching can feel a bit delayed. Some apps may reload when switching quickly. The interface also feels a bit cluttered at first, but you get used to it after some time. Battery life is solid for reading and writing. However, using the front light or running heavy apps will detain it faster. Charging takes about 5 hours to complete. As I said, it can be used for long term if you are only reading. As for the rear camera, it mainly meant for scanning documents and it performs well for that purpose. I even took a few photos and a video at my university, and honestly the results were decent for an e-ink device. Here's a quick sample. 你好，我现在在中国。
Hello, I'm in China now.
That's great. I'm also in China.
太好了，我也在中国。
So guys, the BIGME B1051C Pro is made for readers, writers, students and professionals who need a device for documents, notes and eye-friendly screen time. The keyboard folio adds a whole new level of productivity, making it feel like a laptop. It's not made for gaming or heavy video content, but if you are focused on reading, writing, sketching or study work, it's a powerful tool. And if you are interested, check out the link in the description. There might be a discount waiting for you. And if you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tech content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.